Christian, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, bring it in, dude! Bring it in, bro! Here on Sunday, hopefully all the people left, but hoping to get on some elk, baby. Yes, sir.
I think I saw antlers.
It's solo. It's solo.
How far is it?
What else would it be? No, that's pretty far. Yeah, that's pretty far. But it's on a mission right now.
No, Benya, where's my phone? Well, if it's on a mission, it's gonna go to
Nick found another hunter on over there, somewhere over there. But look at that rain. Storm is crazy. We bumped a mule deer, or saw a mule deer. But I'm just gonna chill here for today. Hopefully spot him again. Shots. Elk got bumped. Spotted the elk. Going after him. Let's get it. Do you have a range? Don't move. What's the range?
380.
Do it.
There's a bull right there.
Do it.
I can't.
Why?
Because
380.
I don't have a good shot.
Use your backpack. Extend your thing. Don't rush the shot.
What?
Don't rush the shot. Don't rush the shot. Should I cow call to get them their attention?
Yeah.
They're over.
They're gone.
Okay. Dang, they moved.
I know. Dang it, we should have just stayed there. Oh,
Dang it, dude. He's got a range on an elk. There's some right over that ridge. I think he has one in his... Where's the one he sees? Dude, they're moving right there. That's 600 yards, dude. You can shoot one right there. I'm not even kidding. Lots of elk. We close encounters all around. Close encounters, dude. Ah, this shoulda, coulda, woulda. If, ands, or buts, you know. They just came literally up on this ridge over. Christian, my brother's right there. So close. This is the first day, and we got a week ahead of us, so let's try to get a bull. I think we can get a couple bulls, dude. I think so. What? I think we can get a couple bulls.
That's not couple.
Yeah?
What? I'm telling you, that was should have never moved from our original spot. They were coming all down here anyway.
I know, dude.
I just wasted.
What? Where were we? Dude, if we were just... Oh my goodness.
We were all the way down there.
Dude, that would have been the...
We were down there. They are coming down right now. We were down on that corner. We were behind this hill.
Literally, what were we saying down there? What would be best case scenario of where the elk would come?
Down.
Right where we thought we would. Right where they would.
No, they're climbing the canyon down right now.
Yup. Dude, one thing you need to know about hunting: shoulda, coulda, woulda.
I'm telling you right now, every single feeling in my gut is telling me to stay. Because I'm like, for one,
Dude, that's how you kill. That's how I killed my first deer. Is every single feeling in my gut
Bro,
told me to stay and go there.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm like, I'm not up for another hike uphill, and I'm like, I should just stay. I know they're gonna come down. That's what you guys have been telling me this entire time.
Oh, dude, I think I blew it for him, because I told him to go there, and they obviously went where he wanted. Ah, dang it. Well, first day. I mean, really, it's the first day of rifle hunting. Okay.
I had a clear shot. 280 yards.
Yeah.
And I couldn't figure out what my BDX was working. I laid down. On the side.
Dang it.
No, go shoot the bull.
So how you liking elk hunting now?
I'm tired of shit.
Yeah, that's just hunting, baby. We'll get more action. But yeah, we bumped him into a different canyon. Just bumped him out of here. So we're hiking back to the truck, but we didn't even expect to even see anything today. We saw a bull. I think I showed you guys just one lone bull and a herd, big old herd. So we'll come back tomorrow morning, hopefully make it happen. Before even day, I'm gonna try and repair my things. Yeah, make sure everything's all sorted out. That way, if we got an opportunity, we don't squander it. We spotted a little herd of elk up on that ridge. Hopefully there's a bull in there, but someone can get a cow. Christian, you can probably shoot it from here. It's 700 yards. Christian, 720 yards. Christian, see that hill we were on yesterday? You know the hill the mule deer were on? Up top, on the very, not on the very, very top, but like, yes, right there. I know, 750 yards. If Christian, honestly, we could just move up to the next one. Okay, we're gonna push and move on him, hopefully get a shot off. Let's go. Okay. Once we pop up, they'll be there. I see one. Where? You can barely see it though. It's on the same ridge. It's on the same ridge. Same ridge. To the right a little bit. I think it might be a mule deer. Seeing it? They're right there. They're moving. They're moving uphill. Uphill? Yes. They're in sight. Here, give me a rangefinder. I'll range it for you. Here, I'll range it for you. Give me a rangefinder. Here, you see a bull? I don't see a bull, but that's too bright of a range.
I don't see them. I know. I didn't have enough time to.
I think. Hold on.
Where are they?
Hold on.
I don't see them right now.
They just went back down.
In there, though? They're in that same canyon?
I think. They might have went over. Where is it at?
800 yards. They're already too far.
Oh.
830.
Dang it.
And they're running. It's just a couple of cows.
Dang.
Yep. I think they saw us. They definitely saw us.
Oh.
They definitely saw us because they were mobbing it right there to the right.
And they're kind of looking at us too. Dang. Because we're kind of skyline, dude.
We are skyline. Darn it, dude.
We glassed over there for about half an hour, but Christian already left over there. And David is going to go on that one. I'm going to try and meet up with Christian, see if I can glass up a bull in that timber. That's where the elk ran to yesterday, but that herd that we spoke this morning, gone. Absolutely gone. They saw us. We were skyline basically, and that's how it is. So second day, ran into some elk. Hopefully we can secure the deal. Out of nowhere with my bare eyes. My brother's gonna go after him. I'm gonna keep him in. He's just chilling there feeding. So hopefully he can get. Oh, dude, he just shot it. He just shot it. He just shot it. Dude, he just shot it. He just shot it. Oh my goodness, he just shot it. He just missed the two shots and got the third shot. I literally saw it. I literally saw it hit it.
You understand? It hit him right in front of his rear leg.
Yeah, like it literally right in the. Dude! I'm gonna go hike up there with him. I'm gonna say I was looking at it the whole time. I don't know why you didn't move when you shot it twice. Dude, straight up lucky. I'm sorry, boys. Terrible, terrible filmer. Not a good, wasn't heat of the moment, you know, not a good filming situation, but hopefully we can find this bull. It looked like a clean shot. But I'm gonna go up there, try to get some action, baby. Might have been the cows. He's perfectly fine. Really? No way! No way! Dude, no way! Oh, no way! Dude! Oh, no way! No way! No way! No way! No way! Oh, you're right. You're right. Oh, I thought you only had 3 bullets left. You shot 4. No way. Oh, dude. Be careful, dude. No way. No way. Let's go! No! Let's go! Kristen! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Christina! Christian! Dude! Oh! Dude! Oh! Dude! Whoa! Oh, dude, let's go, Christian! Christian, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, bring it in, dude! Yes. Bring it in, bro! Let's go! That was so much work. That was so much work for this guy. Oh my gosh! This was the bull you shot first. This was the bull. Oh, dude. Gotta. Yep. What a beautiful, beautiful bull. It's got this long tine right here. It's such a unique bull. Not too big thirds, but this dude, it's got that 6x5 kicker right there. Actually, look at that. Look how unique that tine is. It's huge, dude. Look at that. Nice bull. Well done. Just packing her out. Christian and I pushed her up, packed the whole elk out by ourselves. So we're just got to the just got to the camper. Yes, one of the best feelings in the world. We did it. Yes. Woo! We got it done, baby. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about.